The ice cream problem. Leo is at the park. It is a very hot day. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. Leo walks with his dad. He is hot, very hot. Leo wipes his face. "Dad," Leo says, "I am hot." Dad nods. "Yes, it is very hot today." Leo sees an ice cream cart. The cart is near a tree. It has a red umbrella. It has a bell. Ring, ring. The ice cream man smiles. "Ice cream, cold ice cream." Leo stops walking. "Dad, can I have ice cream?" Dad looks at the sky. Then he looks at Leo. "Yes," Dad says, "but choose carefully." Leo looks at the pictures. There is chocolate ice cream. There is strawberry ice cream. There is vanilla ice cream. There is a very big ice cream. It has 3 scoops. 1 scoop is chocolate. 1 scoop is strawberry. 1 scoop is vanilla. Leo points to it. "I want that one." Dad looks at the picture. "That is very big." Leo smiles. "I am very hungry." Dad says, "It is also very hot." Leo nods. "I can eat fast." Dad looks at him. "Are you sure?" "Yes," Leo says. "I am sure." Dad buys the big ice cream. The ice cream man gives it to Leo. "Hold it straight," the man says. Leo takes the ice cream. It is big. It is cold. It is beautiful. Leo smiles. "This is perfect." Dad says, "Eat it before it melts." Leo takes one small bite. "Mmm," he says. "Chocolate." He takes another bite. "Strawberry." Then he takes another bite. "Vanilla." Leo is happy, but the sun is very hot. The ice cream starts to melt. A small drop falls on Leo's hand. Drip. Leo looks at his hand. Oh no. Dad points to the ice cream. It is melting. Leo eats faster. He takes a big bite, then another bite. The ice cream is still melting. Drip, drip, drip. Now ice cream is on his fingers. Leo licks his fingers. Then ice cream drips on his shirt. "Oh no," Leo says. Dad gives him a napkin. "Here." Leo wipes his shirt. The chocolate spot is still there. Leo looks sad. "My shirt is dirty." Dad says, "Keep eating." Leo holds the ice cream higher, but that is a mistake. The ice cream drips down his arm. Cold ice cream runs to his elbow. Leo makes a funny face. "Ah, it is cold." Dad laughs. Leo laughs too. Then the top scoop moves. The chocolate scoop is sliding. Slowly, slowly. "Dad," Leo says, "the chocolate is moving." Dad looks worried. "Hold it straight." Leo tries to hold it straight, but the scoop slides more. Then it falls. Plop. The chocolate scoop falls on the grass. Leo stares at it. "No!" A small dog runs over. The dog smells the chocolate scoop. Dad quickly says, "No, dog." The dog's owner comes running. "Buddy, no!" The owner pulls the dog away. Dad looks at Leo. "Chocolate is not good for dogs." Leo looks at the dog. "Sorry, Buddy." Buddy wags his tail. Leo looks at his ice cream. Now there are only 2 scoops, strawberry and vanilla. Leo sighs. Goodbye, chocolate. Dad says, You still have 2 scoops. Leo nods. I must save them. He starts to eat again. But the strawberry scoop is melting too. Pink ice cream runs down the cone. Leo turns the cone. The ice cream runs the other way. He turns it again. It runs again. Leo turns and turns. Dad says, Leo, stop turning. Leo stops. Now the cone is messy. His hand is messy. His shirt is messy. Then a fly comes near the ice cream. Bzzz. Leo waves his hand. Go away, fly! The fly comes back. Bzzz. Leo moves the ice cream away, but when he moves it, vanilla ice cream drops on his shoe. Drip. Leo looks down. My shoe! Dad looks at the shoe. It is a vanilla shoe now. Leo laughs. A vanilla shoe? Dad nods. Yes, very special. Leo laughs harder. The ice cream man sees Leo. He walks over with more napkins. You need help, he says. Leo looks at him. Yes, my ice cream has a problem. The ice cream man smiles. It is too hot for 3 scoops. Dad looks at Leo. I said that. Leo nods. Yes, Dad, you said that. The ice cream man gives Leo a small cup. Put the ice cream in here. Dad helps Leo put the 2 scoops into the cup. Now Leo can eat with a spoon. The cone is empty. Leo looks at the cone. Then he eats it. Crunch. Dad laughs. Problem solved? Leo looks at the cup. Almost. He sits on a bench under the tree. Now the ice cream is safer. It still melts, but it melts into the cup. Leo eats slowly. 1 spoonful, then another spoonful. The strawberry is sweet. The vanilla is cold. Leo feels better. Buddy the dog sits near his owner. He watches Leo. Leo looks at Buddy. You cannot have this, Leo says. Buddy tilts his head. Leo says, Sorry, it is people ice cream. The dog's owner laughs. That is true. Leo finishes the ice cream. His hand is sticky. His shirt is dirty. His shoe is wet. But he is smiling. Dad gives him a wet napkin. Leo cleans his hand. He cleans his arm. He cleans his shoe. The shirt is still dirty. Leo looks at it. Mom will see this. Dad nods. Yes, she will. Leo looks worried. Will she be angry? Dad smiles. Maybe not angry, but she will know you had a big ice cream. Leo looks at his shirt. It tells the story. Dad laughs. Yes, your shirt tells the story. They walk home. The sun is still hot. The ice cream cart bell rings behind them. Ring, ring. Leo looks back. The ice cream man waves. Next time, he calls. 1 scoop. Leo waves back. Yes, 1 scoop. Dad smiles. So, what did you learn today? Leo thinks. He looks at his sticky hand. He looks at his dirty shirt. He looks at his vanilla shoe. Then he says, On a hot day, big ice cream is dangerous. Dad laughs. That is a good lesson. Leo nods. And next time, I will get 1 scoop. Dad says, Good idea. Leo smiles. Maybe 2 scoops. Dad looks at him. Leo, Leo laughs. Okay, 1 scoop. They walk home together. Leo is still hot, but now he is happy. It was a messy day. It was a sticky day. But it was also a funny day. And Leo still loves ice cream. Did you enjoy this story? Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun stories.